Saurav Ganguly and Sachin Tendulkar were both represented by a top company called Worldtel, owned by a very aggressive, successful gentleman called Mark Mascarenhas. Saurav Ganguly was signed by Worldtel, but he was always living under the shadow of Sachin Tendulkar. Obviously, Sachin was so big. You know, एक दौर था जब सौरव गांगुली शायद सचिन बनना चाहते थे. Not on the field, but what happens when you're not Sachin Tendulkar and you're represented by the company that represents Sachin Tendulkar? Obviously, the full focus of Mark Mascarenhas and Worldtel was on Sachin. I felt that there was an opportunity. So I started pursuing Saurav Ganguly to say that you come into my company and I'm going to do this usual, you know, that whole Jerry Maguire, Tom Cruise scene, convincing Saurav Ganguly to join my company. He trust me. Whatever I have said, I'll make it come true and we together will have a fantastic journey. And that moment, I don't know what he felt, but he emotionally signed the contract on the highway. Interesting journeys रही, उतार चढ़ाव रहा, मगर एक बात आज भी मैं कहना चाहता हूँ on record. मेरे लिए सौरव एक फैमिली मेंबर बन गया था. मेरे घर में रहता था, आता था, जाता था, मेरी गाड़ी उसको एयरपोर्ट से लेती थी. मैं हर मैच में इमोशनली कनेक्टेड था हर गेम से, उसके उतार चढ़ाव में कनेक्टेड था. लेकिन जैसे ही हमारा कमर्शियल रिश्ता खत्म हुआ, सौरव गांगुली जस्ट डिसअपीयर्ड फ्रॉम माय लाइफ. पता नहीं क्यों होता है, मगर होता है. He became the chairman, president of the board, BCCI. मतलब इतना बड़ा मोमेंट था, मगर उसने मुझे इनवाइट नहीं किया सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए. मैंने उसे फोन किया, उसने बस 2 शब्द में रिप्लाई दिया. My name is Shailendra Singh and in my life I have done 23 creative successful startups in 23 years. In the field of media, communication, sports marketing, talent management, motion pictures, music festivals and whatnot. Guess why? Because I dreamt and I did it. ख्वाब देखो, पूरा करो. I always wanted to represent Saurav Ganguly, but do you know that I signed the contract to represent him on a highway in England? Let me take you down that journey that was all about representation and contracts, but landed up becoming an emotional relationship, and we together actually became family through the phase of our doing business together. But like they say, if you make your passion your profession, then you don't work a single day, and that's what happened in my relationship with Saurav Ganguly. Saurav Ganguly and Sachin Tendulkar were both represented by a top company called Worldtel, owned by a very aggressive, successful gentleman called Mark Mascarenhas. At that time, he was very close to Ravi Shastri. He was getting all the broadcasting contracts, and Sachin was at his peak. You remember that sandstorm Sharjah match where against Australia, Sachin scored that massive 100 that made India win. And then Mark Mascarenhas, I think, gifted him a Ferrari. So that's how it was going. You know, it was a really high-profile moment. And for me, coming from the back, wanting to dominate cricket in different ways in terms of sponsorships, naming rights, broadcasting, signing up cricketers. There was a phase when representing cricketers became a big deal. Getting them endorsements, etc. So in that phase, Saurav Ganguly was signed by Worldtel, but he was always living under the shadow of Sachin Tendulkar. Obviously, Sachin was so big. I felt that there was an opportunity. So I started pursuing Saurav Ganguly to say that you come into my company and I'm going to do this usual, you know, that whole Jerry Maguire, Tom Cruise scene. Show me the money. So I was into that vibe of convincing Saurav Ganguly to join my company. I didn't know how it was going to happen because Saurav Ganguly joined Worldtel. Because obviously even Saurav Ganguly at one stage, you know, एक दौर था जब Saurav Ganguly शायद सचिन बनना चाहते थे. Not on the field. One is a southpaw, one is a rightpaw. Both are brilliant geniuses on the ground. But off the ground, Sachin was a superstar. So obviously, you know, all cricketers wanted to follow Sachin's footsteps. So Saurav went and signed with that company that Sachin was signed up with, Worldtel. But what happens when you're not Sachin Tendulkar and you're represented by the company that represents Sachin Tendulkar? Obviously, the full focus of Mark Mascarenhas and Worldtel was on Sachin. All the big deals were going to Sachin, the Ferraris, all the large interviews, everything was going to Sachin. Saurav was that hidden boy just hanging around in Worldtel. I pursued the relationship with Saurav, and finally one day he listened to me. He believed in that idea that one day Saurav could be as big, if not bigger than Sachin Tendulkar, which, I mean, you and me as cricketers and cricket lovers know that each one of them have their own spaces in the world of cricket. But you know, you have to show dreams. So I did build this larger than life story for Saurav Ganguly. As they say sometimes, you know, मेरी माँ ने मुझे बचपन से सिखाया था कि झूठ बोलना बुरी बात नहीं है. It's not bad to lie as long as that lie does not hurt someone, and then make all your possible efforts, put all your energies to make that lie come true. So then it'll never be a lie. This was my mum's logic, my mum's MBA degree to me. So I told Saurav all these lies about that, I'm going to make you bigger than Sachin and you're going to be the brand ambassador for Indian cricket and all that jazz, and I have multiple plans for you. That's how we do it in that talent management business of mine phase. And I was able to convince him. I went to England. I remember he had an apartment. He was playing county cricket at that time. He cooked fish for me because he comes from Bengal. And he used to cook his own meals because in those days, in counties, you don't have helpers in England. And I remember him cooking fish and rice, and I don't eat seafood. And at that time, I was vegetarian. But I couldn't tell him, this is how it works in this business. So I actually kept taking the gravy and the rice and hiding. And finally, we got into a conversation about the contract. I had carried the contract. And I remember my assistant called Vinita with me. She had flown down with me. We took out the papers and he says, and Saurav Ganguly is also one of those very smart guys. I mean, he's a smart cookie. So he kept playing me because he himself was undecided that is he doing the right decision by going with Shailendra Singh. So I could see the drama unfolding, And I had come all the way from India on a flight, spent so much money, and I had an assistant. I kept playing that hot-cold game and not pushing it too hard. Finally, he got into his car to say that मेरी practice है, तो मुझे तो ground पे जाना है. तो मैंने कहा हम भी चलते हैं साथ में. तो he says चलो गाड़ी में. And we didn't know where we were going, no idea. He took us and then he stopped the car and said कि मेरा ground तो इस तरफ है. And in England it was an expressway, those 6-lane highways, cars are going frantic. And he just stopped in one of those by lanes and said कि मुझे तो यहीं जाना है, मेरा ground आ गया, तो we'll connect in India. I said, bro, I flew down from India. We had finalized everything. The contract is in my hand. And he says, कर लेंगे ना, मैंने commitment दिया है, जबान दिया है, bro. And I'm like, jaban means, and so you understand what I mean now. I spent years seducing him to come on board, and then finally that moment had come where the contract was agreed upon, but he was just not signing on that dotted line. So we stopped the car and I said, Saurav, listen, bro, I have told you everything. मेरे पास और कोई चीज बाकी नहीं है तुझे कहने की, but एक ही बात कह सकता हूँ कि trust me, whatever I have said, I'll make it come true, and we together will have a fantastic journey. And that moment, I don't know what he felt, but he emotionally signed the contract on the highway. And then I remember him driving away, and Vinita and me were standing there, and we were thrilled, super excited कि ये हो गया. And I remember we didn't know what to do. It's not like, you could call a taxi. It was that M1 highway. And we just stood, and I remember us walking for 2 miles to get to some petrol pump to call for a cab and then go to the airport and fly to India. But that is what it takes to sign. And that day, that relationship with Saurav and Shailendra, which is me, began. I'm taking my name so often because this is a new journey of me introducing my stories and myself with you. And that is why I want to keep reminding you my name, because I know we're going to be connected for many, many years with many, many stories like this. Then this journey began with Saurav Ganguly. And guess what? In just a year and a half after that, Saurav Ganguly became the captain of India. And I don't know whether you remember the visual. Off the ground, Saurav is a very conservative, traditional Bengali boy living in a massive joint family in a massive old Rajshri production house in Behala, which is 2 hours away from the central Calcutta place. Very old school, very loving boy to a large family that is so proud of him being a cricketer. They don't care about how much money Saurav has got or that he's captaining India. But whenever Saurav Ganguly entered the ground as a captain, he looked like a tiger, like a Bengal tiger. I loved that about Saurav Ganguly. He switched. And I truly believe that he's one of the most honest cricketing athletes I have known. Of course, Kapil Dev is my first love. But I would say Saurav Ganguly is thorough professional, thoroughbred athlete who wants to represent his country and win for the country. So whenever he walked, he looked like a tiger. Off the field, he was gentle, soft, loving. And I had hundreds and thousands of moments with him in my life. But I remember going to Behala. Whenever we had to sign a deal, I had to go home, and he was so loving. His wife, Donna, we used to play. I never knew that you play carom in Calcutta, in East, standing. I thought I was a great carom player, but we used to play carom standing. We played badminton, because I also felt I was an athlete. And Saurav, if you're watching, you remember I beat you in badminton. We played at NSCI in Mumbai. His shoe came off, and And I beat him because I'm also an athlete, but I felt really bad that I was beating the Indian cricket captain in front of my friends in badminton. But that relationship became intense. He used to come to my house in Bombay. My car used to fetch him from the airport. I just felt that I was living my dream through Saurav of representing the country, and I just loved his honesty. We spent a lot of time together. We traveled many miles together in this journey, and I was fortunate enough at that time, and even now, to call him my family, but we're not connected anymore. Times changed. I don't know why. No fight happened, nothing happened, but the world has changed. You know, वक्त बदल गया है. सब लोग मोहब्बत करते हैं एजेंडा से, अब मोहब्बत करते हैं पैसे से. वक्त बदल गया. लेकिन उस दौर में हमने उतार चढ़ाव इतने देखे, सौरव और मैं सब सीरीज में कोशिश करता था कि मैं हमेशा उसके साथ ट्रैवल करूं, उसके विजन को सपोर्ट करूं, और हम लोग लाइक एथलीट्स हम चैलेंजिंग गेम भी खेलते थे कि अगर तूने ये सीरीज जीती तो मैं ये करूंगा, क्योंकि हम कमा भी बहुत रहे थे. एंड आई रिमेंबर दैट ही ऑलवेज हैड अ ड्रीम टू ओन अ मर्सिडीज कन्वर्टेबल कार. एंड आई रिमेंबर टेलिंग हिम कि तू ये सीरीज जीत के दिखा दे यार, मैं तेरे को एस क्लास मर्सिडीज दूंगा, कन्वर्टेबल रेड, चेरी रेड. और मुझे लग नहीं रहा था कि हम सीरीज जीतेंगे. यू नो, आई डोंट नो वेदर यू रिमेंबर, एक सीरीज थी अगेंस्ट श्रीलंका जहां सचिन तेंदुलकर लास्ट मिनट हैड अ शिन इंजरी एंड ही बैक्ड आउट. एक सचिन सौरव, जैसे सुनील गावस्कर और कपिल देव का एक टशन था ना एक दौर में, सचिन सौरव का भी एक टशन था. और इसमें एक कंट्रोवर्सी थी. आई डोंट नो इफ यू रिमेंबर, इफ यू गो डाउन गूगल मेमोरी यू विल फाइंड इट, कि क्या सही में सचिन की कोई इंजरी थी कि वो श्रीलंका नहीं गया और उसने क्या वो अपनी इंजरी फेक की थी. आई एम नॉट सेइंग इट, मीडिया हैड सेड इट. And but Sachin didn't go on the tour, and Saurav Ganguly had to make a brand new team. That was the tour that he went with Sehwag, Harbachan. 4 से 5 डेब्यू हुए थे उस टेस्ट सीरीज में श्रीलंका में. But Saurav believed future is now. He invested in the future, if you remember. Saurav Ganguly made a brand new team and went to Sri Lanka, and I put a challenge that if you win this series with a new team, मान गया bro तेरे को. और वो जीत गया. And then we had that emotional moment. I gifted him, Saurav, remember? I gifted him a cherry red S-Class Mercedes convertible, and it was such a proud moment. That journey began, and then there was a lot of highs and lows. There was a rumor which became quite viral that he was having a relationship with Nagma, the actress. मुझे नहीं पता है, और मैं जानना भी चाहता नहीं हूँ ज़्यादा कि क्या वो रिलेशनशिप सच थी, क्या सौरव गांगुली ने नगमा से शादी की थी. ये सब मुझे नहीं पता. मुझे एक ही चीज़ पता थी कि मुझे उस कंट्रोवर्सी को दबाना था, क्योंकि जब सौरव गांगुली का नाम उछाला जाता है मार्केट में और एक कंट्रोवर्सी क्रिएट होती है, वो सिर्फ सौरव गांगुली के ऊपर नहीं होती है, वो इंडियन क्रिकेट कैप्टन के ऊपर होती है, वो इंडियन क्रिकेट पे होती है. तो अगर सौरव गांगुली की इमेज पे दाग लगता है तो क्रिकेट पे दाग लगता है, और आने वाला जनरेशन, द नेक्स्ट जनरेशन विल लूज फेथ एंड कॉन्फिडेंस इफ द इंडियन क्रिकेट कैप्टन इज इन्वॉल्व्ड इन सच अ फ्रिवलस कंट्रोवर्सी. तो मैंने बहुत मेहनत की कि ये कंट्रोवर्सी मर जाए, ख़त्म हो जाए. और वो दौर बहुत टफ था सौरव के लिए. वो जो 18-20 महीने थे बहुत टफ थे. मुझे बहुत सारे हादसे याद हैं where I had to take multiple phone calls of journalists, and it was my duty. I felt it was my national duty to protect Saurav Ganguly, the captain, not the individual. I again repeat, I don't know whether the story was true or false, but it was a high-profile story. And my job was to protect the Indian cricket captain. Somewhere down the line, I always wanted to make Saurav Ganguly larger than life. हमने एक हीरो होंडा का कमर्शियल किया था, जहाँ उस वक्त मैं आई यूज्ड टू रिप्रेजेंट हीरो होंडा. वो कैंपेन भी मेरी है, देश की धड़कन. मैंने लिखी और बनाई, और वो 15 साल चली. बहुत सक्सेसफुल कैंपेन थी हीरो होंडा के लिए. तो उसमें मैंने सौरव गांगुली को साइन किया था सेलिब्रिटी की हैसियत से, और हमारे पास ऋतिक रोशन भी था उस दौर में. तो मैंने एक ऐड बनाया था जहाँ ऋतिक रोशन क्रिकेट खेलता है और सौरव गांगुली नाचता है. तो मुझे पता था कि सौरव गांगुली इज़ नॉट अ गुड डांसर. वो मुझे मालूम पड़ गया था फायर एंड आइस में ही जब हम गए थे. लेकिन हमने वो ऐड बनाया कि हम चाहते थे कि बॉलीवुड और क्रिकेट को कहीं ना कहीं जोड़ने के लिए, बिकॉज मैं हमेशा जो आपको बोलता हूँ कि क्रिकेट इन इंडिया इज क्रिकेटेनमेंट. तो वो बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग कमर्शियल रहा. ही वॉज एक्सट्रीमली अनकंफर्टेबल बट ही डिड इट फॉर मी. इंटरेस्टिंग जर्नीज रही, उतार चढ़ाव रहा. मगर एक बात आज भी मैं कहना चाहता हूँ ऑन रिकॉर्ड, मेरे लिए सौरव एक फैमिली मेंबर बन गया था. मेरे घर में रहता था, आता था, जाता था. मेरी गाड़ी उसको एयरपोर्ट से लेती थी. मैं हर मैच में इमोशनली कनेक्टेड था, हर गेम से उसके उतार चढ़ाव में कनेक्टेड था. लेकिन जैसे ही हमारा कमर्शियल रिश्ता ख़त्म हुआ, सौरव गांगुली just disappeared from my life. पता नहीं क्यों होता है, मगर होता है. He became the chairman, president of the board, BCCI. मतलब इतना बड़ा मोमेंट था, मगर उसने मुझे इनवाइट नहीं किया सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए. मैंने उसे फ़ोन किया, उसने बस 2 शब्द में रिप्लाई दिया. So it was a very interesting journey. The lesson to be learned in this, like I said, that I'm still unable to understand that a relationship that was so intense, and I think I feel that Saurav and me were more than family, but somehow we have drifted apart. I still feel for him because the highs and lows, and I'm not even able to express all the moments of whether it's the South African World Cup where we lost, I think, in the finals, and so many series that we went on, so many travel trips that we did. But suddenly something happened, and then we are no more even friends. Forget about being family. So yeah, dream and do. ख्वाब देखो, पूरा करो, और हमेशा याद रखो कि जो वक्त तुम जी रहे हो वो बीत जाएगा. The moment that you're living in will pass away, and better new moments may come, but that moment that you're living at that moment is the moment. So therefore cherish that experience, and that's exactly how I feel today, talking to you and sharing my journey with Saurav Ganguly, that those 10 years of our relationship was spectacular, and that's what I remember, and that's what I celebrate, and that will happen till my last breath. But through this video, if Saurav watches this, bro, where are you? Let's connect. If you want to watch more episodes about my cricketing relationships, could be Kapil Dev, Yuvraj Singh, Zaheer Khan, Steve Waugh, Mark Waugh. Let me know in comments what you felt, whether you enjoyed this journey or not, and what you want to watch next.